You know you're in Antara Zouqh when you see such deliciousness. আজ আমি আবার ফিরে এলাম আমার একটা ফেস্টিভ নিরামিষ থালি নিয়ে. Let me translate that for you in English. I'm here back again today with a festive vegetarian thali, which is all bong, truly bong, and truly delicious. Now, as the weeks go by, I'm gonna share each and every recipe on this video that you can see right now. But today, let's tackle these amazing Panch Rokomer Bhaja. Any Bengali thali starts with this. It is a quintessentially important part of any meal. Panch Rokomer Bhaja means there are 5 vegetables which we have to stir fry or deep fry depending on your choice and serve along with the rest of the meal. Now with my tips and tricks, I am definitely going to teach you how I cheat a little bit. The taste and the texture is pretty much like a deep fried version, but it's definitely not that heavy on your tummy. And especially when you have so many other things that you need to eat, I feel going a little light on the first course would be a great idea. So if you are interested, let's get on with the recipe. Now the recipe for each and every bhaja is pretty much the same. You heat some mustard oil, cut the veggies in thin, long strips like so, and gently put it in that oil. I'm gonna cover all my vegetables and cook because it's gonna lessen the amount of time that you need to spend on cooking this. Fry it till it's nice and golden, pretty much dark brown on both sides. That way you develop that caramelized texture which is so tasty. Season it scarcely with some salt, some turmeric powder and some gourd powder. Gourd or jaggery brings out the natural sweetness of this vegetable. Once done, don't forget to sprinkle on some chaat masala. Now just as I did eggplants or brinjals, I'm going to do the same thing to the potatoes. Round cut, thin slices have already gone into the oil. So there, as you can see, now I've turned my potatoes and they are golden brown both sides. It's time to season. Salt, turmeric, jaggery powder. Give it a good mix and there you have it. And your Aaloo Bhaja is ready. The moment one of the rounds is easily pierced through a fork or the spatula. Similarly, I'm gonna fry my pointed gourd. Now pointed gourd is very interesting. It has a great texture when it's got that caramelized top. I've peeled my pointed gourd or bottle alternatively in strips. That way it cooks exactly in the right time as it would develop that nice caramelized texture as well as cook a little faster. Again, cover it, let it cook. Season it with the same 3 things. Stir it well, and when you're happy with the doneness of your vegetable, just pick it out of the wok and season it again with a sprinkling of chaat masala. Now the next one to go in is my pumpkin. As you have seen, I have cut it exactly in that same thickness as was my potatoes earlier. The same drill follows. Season it. Take it out. Season again with some chaat masala. Now comes in my favorite, cauliflower. Again the same drill, but here I have a little bit of a trick up my sleeve. Now cauliflower is notorious in the sense that it cooks down a little too late. So here I add that bit of water. I don't want to deep fry cauliflower, though deep frying cauliflower has a different taste altogether. But the florets tend to absorb a lot of oil. It's a very unhealthy dish. You can try it once, but this way you have the same texture, same flavor, but a lot less oil. I love it this way. See, it's cooked completely. We have already seasoned it with my same 3 things. And now, once it's been taken away, sprinkle on some chaat masala. There you have it, Panch Rokomer Bhaja. Every important meal in our lives have started with this, starting from the Annaprashan thali to any other birthday thali. A bong multi-course meals have very defined courses. I hope you are interested in this series. I am going to dish out one after another all the recipes and then try to put it all together in one singular video so that it's easier for everyone to just go through. I hope you had a great time looking at our video. If you did, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Cheers!